In Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, recent events have sharply raised human rights concerns. There are widespread reports of illegal detentions, abductions, and a harsh clampdown on dissent, leading to both local protests and global scrutiny. Among those affected is Khwaja Khurshid Ahmed, a prominent figure from the Neelam area, reportedly detained by security forces on June 7th with no information available about his current location. A report. In Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, there have been alarming reports of unlawful detentions and abductions, raising serious human rights concerns. Instances involve individuals, often activists or dissenters, reportedly taken by state authorities or unidentified groups. These individuals are frequently held without proper legal procedures, with their locations undisclosed for prolonged periods. The recent abduction of Khwaja Khurshid Ahmed, a prominent figure from the region, has sparked widespread protests. Local activists and student leaders have organized sit-ins and demonstrations across various sectors of POJK, demanding Ahmed's immediate release along with other detained political activists. They have also threatened a long march from Kotli to Muzaffarabad if their demands are not addressed. Shaukat Nawaz Mir, a leader associated with the Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee, stated that Khwaja Khurshid Ahmed, originally from the Neelam area, was allegedly taken into custody by security forces on June 7th, and his current whereabouts remain unknown.
हमारे साथ जोर जबरदस्ती की जा रही है, हमारे साथ बदमाशी की जा रही है। क्या कानून सिर्फ आवाम के लिए है? क्या कानून उस मिनिस्टर उस वज़ीर आज़म के लिए नहीं है? अगर आप एक तरफ ये कानून चलाओगे तो हम इस कानून को नहीं मानेंगे। अगर तुम इस कानून को प्रॉपर इस्तेमाल करोगे तो हम इस कानून को मानेंगे। हम बार बार ये कहते हैं कि रियासत हमारी है, ये निज़ाम है तो हम हैं, ये कानून है तो हम हैं, लेकिन ये नहीं होगा कि आप अपने फायदे के लिए इस कानून को साइड पे कर दो और जहाँ पे गरीब को एक्शन कमेटी को ज़ेरे बार करना हो तो वहाँ पे ये कानून आप सामने ले आओ। ये बात कोई तस्लीम नहीं करेगा। मेरे लिए आटा बिजली मसला नहीं है, मेरे लिए आटा बिजली मसला नहीं है, मेरे लिए मेरी शनाख्त मसला है। मैं कश्मीरी हूँ, मैं कश्मीरी हूँ, मुझे मेरी शनाख्त चाहिए। मैं अपनी शनाख्त को किसी भी सूरत उस पर कोई कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करूँगा।
The arrests in POJK have garnered attention from human rights organizations. The reasons behind these detentions may vary, ranging from political dissent to advocating for the rights of Kashmiris. The detainment of activists underscore broader issues surrounding freedom of speech and civil liberties in the region. The protests by Joint Awami Action Committee are significant expressions of dissent and activism against perceived injustices in the region.
जिस पे कोई जुर्म है तो आप उन्हें गिरफ्तार करके अदालत में पेश करें। यह तो कोई कानून नहीं है, यह कोई उसूल नहीं है कि आप किसी को भी घर से उठाकर अगवा कर ले, उस पर तशद्दुद करें, लोगों में खौफ व हरास फैलाएं। हमें इस दहशतगर्दी की भरपूर मज़म्मत करते हैं। फिर ये कहते हैं कि ये नारे लगाते हैं, ये जो दहशतगर्दी है, तुम्हारे लोग बंदे मारे, तुम्हारी वर्दी वाले लोग आके और हमारे बंदों को मारे, तुम्हारे लोग हमारे बंदों को उठाए तो हम क्या फूल बरसाएंगे? हमने यही नारे लगाने हैं कि ये जो दहशतगर्दी है इसके पीछे वर्दी है।
The detention of Kashmiri activists is just one facet of a larger pattern of human rights abuses in the region. Activists, journalists, and political opponents critical of the government have faced harassment, intimidation, and arbitrary arrests in the region. There have been allegations of censorship and media restrictions in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Reporters who venture into investigative journalism risk physical violence, arbitrary arrest, or closure of their outlets, further silencing crucial voices within the region. Political opponents critical of the ruling authorities face similar repression. Opposition leaders and their supporters are routinely targeted with legal harassment, surveillance, and even physical assault aimed at quelling dissent and maintaining political control.